Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time stopping by, welcome. Please consider subscribing, leave me a comment in the comment section, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Yes, today we're dripping today. Yeah, you heard me. We're dripping. Today's video is a very fun video. I watched this, I saved her name so I don't forget. I watched this video on Miss Fendi TV. I'll leave a link to her channel in the description box. Please go show her some love. And yeah, before we continue, guys, you guys know I like to dance. I like to feel good because I mean my skin is glowing, and I like to tell you guys, even though nobody asked me, but I'll still tell you guys. I always like to tell you guys my current favorite music, my current favorite song. I always like to tell you guys my current favorite song, and since morning I've been jamming this song. Who is texting me now?
Go for the big leagues, no relegation. Let's celebrate.
So guys, I've been thinking, actually not thinking, I've been meaning to do this after I saw it on Miss Fendi's TV. She made a video where she kind of calculated her expenses on taxis, like Taxify and no, not Taxify, Bolt and Uber for 2020. I just thought I should do it because I would like to see how much I spend on those companies. Actually, the main reason I'm doing this is I just want to know like how much, maybe if I stay indoors for that period of time, if I could get my own car, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Anyways, I'm not going to do 12 months, which is like last year, the whole of last year. So I'm just going to do 6 months. Why? Because I wouldn't want this video to be really long. I'm not saying like I went out a lot. I'm just saying like I feel 6 months it's kind of okay. And for me personally, I don't really use any other company aside Uber. I think I've used Bolt like just twice. I've just used them twice. Yeah, so I don't even have the app. So I'm just going to go ahead now and open my Uber app. So I'm going to open. I'm just going to do 6 months. Like I said, I'll be using this phone to calculate while I'll be using my phone. So since I'll be doing 6 months, that means I will be starting from July. So I went out on the 4th of July. I spent 2,000. I went out on the 7th of July. I spent 1,400. Like, where was I even going to all these outings? 12th of July, 750. Still 12th, 600. I actually did a lot of offline trips because I have like my personal Uber, but 750. I'll just be calculating the ones on the app. That's the ones I can track. Plus 750 again. Where was I going? That is 750. The money is going up. Like, where was I going? 20,000 in July. Nah. Uber needs to cut me some percentage. I'm unemployed. September. I've entered September. 750, 500, 1,450. Guys, I have, like I said, I also did a lot of offline trips because I have like my personal guys that most times I don't need to request for them online. I just call them to like drop me off and all that stuff. But for my online trip, I spent 51,150 on Uber alone for my online trip. Where did I see money? how did I get this money? How? There is no way I would have spent 51,150 on transportation alone if I was in China, because buses are like 1 kwai. Okay, buses now like 2 kwai, subway is like 2 kwai. Even if you're going to the airport, it just costs averagely 10 kwai, because I take 2 kwai subway, I go to the place where I have to change and go to the second lane, that's 2 kwai, and then when I get out I take the train that goes to the airport, that's 4 kwai. 10 kwai. Nigeria is too expensive for me. How much am I earning that I'm spending 51,000? Anyways, this was so much fun, because seriously this January I've been keeping the receipts of all the things I've been buying, because I really want to be intentional and, you know, watch how I spend money. I want to calculate and try to work on how I spend money, because I really don't have that much money. So yeah, anyways, that's just that. I spent 51,150 on Uber for 6 months. I don't think that's a lot. I was just ranting at the beginning, because using Uber is literally the best way for me to move around. It's safer, you know, with the whole COVID and the whole pandemic, like it's safer. But before we leave, I'd like to nominate some people to do this video. The number 1 person, because she's always outside, I want to nominate to do this, is Annabelle. I'll leave her name, Annabelle Okoye. You should tell us how much you spend on Uber. And I would say Sarah Kayola, but I think Sarah is like a business person, so most of her outings might be like business related, but I think she should still do it. Anyways, like I said, we've come to the end of this video. See you guys in my next video. I like filming like random videos, like fun videos, you know. Yes, honestly I've kind of been blank on what to film, because all my content involves going out and I've not really been so active about going out. So yeah, see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay blessed and stay beautiful.
Shawty out nice, off me, make a man want holla. Anytime I see ya.